Welcome to Auto Paradise channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to a highly anticipated release, the 2025 Yamaha Tenere 600. This mid-weight adventure bike has undergone significant updates, blending Yamaha's rich heritage with modern advancements to elevate your riding experience. A legacy of adventure, the Tenere name is legendary among adventure motorcyclists. Originating in the 1980s with the XT600Z Tenere, Yamaha established a reputation for building rugged, reliable bikes capable of conquering vast deserts and challenging terrains. Over the decades, the Tenere series has evolved, incorporating technological advancements while staying true to its adventurous spirit. The 2025 Tenere 700 continues this legacy, offering riders a machine that's both a nod to the past and a leap into the future. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Tenere 600 lies Yamaha's renowned 689cc liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, DOHC inline twin-cylinder engine. This powerplant is celebrated for its reliability and versatility, delivering 72.4 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute and 50.2 pound-feet of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute. For 2025, Yamaha has introduced a ride-by-wire throttle system, known as YCCT, which enhances throttle response and paves the way for modern rider aids. Riders can now choose between two distinct throttle maps: Sport, for a more aggressive response, and Explorer, for a smoother, more controlled power delivery. Additionally, the introduction of switchable traction control offers an extra layer of confidence across various terrains. Chassis and suspension. The 2025 Tenere 600 retains its robust tubular steel frame, designed to handle the rigors of off-road adventures while providing stability on highways. The suspension system has seen notable enhancements. The front features a 43mm inverted fork that's now fully adjustable for preload, compression, and rebound damping, offering 8.3 inches of travel. The rear is equipped with a single shock absorber, also fully adjustable, providing 7.9 inches of travel. These improvements ensure that riders can fine-tune their setup to match their riding style and the demands of the terrain. Design and ergonomics. Visually, the Tenere 600 has received a thoughtful facelift for 2025. A new quad LED headlight design not only modernizes its appearance but also enhances nighttime visibility. The bodywork has been refined to offer better aerodynamics and increased rider comfort, with a broader fairing providing improved wind protection. The fuel tank maintains its 4.2-gallon capacity but has been reshaped for a slimmer profile, aiding in rider movement during off-road excursions. The seat has been redesigned to a flatter, one-piece configuration, ensuring comfort during long rides without compromising the 34.4-inch seat height. Additionally, larger footpegs have been incorporated, offering better support and control, especially during stand-up riding. Advanced features. Embracing modern technology, the 2025 Tenere 600 comes equipped with a 3-mode ABS system. Mode 1 activates ABS on both wheels, Mode 2 engages ABS only on the front wheel, and Mode 3 deactivates ABS entirely, catering to off-road enthusiasts seeking complete control. These modes are easily selectable via a dedicated switch, allowing riders to adapt quickly to changing conditions. Weight and dimensions. Despite the addition of new features, Yamaha has managed to keep the Tenere 600's weight competitive. The 2025 model has a wet weight of 459 pounds, ensuring it remains agile and manageable both on and off the road. Its dimensions: 93.3 inches in length, 35.6 inches in width, and 57.3 inches in height, strike a balance between stability and maneuverability. Ground clearance of 9.4 inches further emphasizes its off-road readiness, allowing riders to tackle obstacles with confidence. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700 stands as a testament to Yamaha's commitment to producing motorcycles that inspire adventure. With its blend of proven performance, modern technology, and thoughtful design enhancements, this bike is poised to be a favorite among both seasoned adventurers and those new to the world of dual-sport riding. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth look at the 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Paradise for more reviews and updates from the automotive world. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.